Hello everyone, I am Gian Russell P. Correlia from DSIT2B. In this video, I am going to explain the quicksort algorithm in JavaScript. So step 1, check base case. If the array has 0 or 1 element, it's already sorted. For example, if the input was 1 or 2, the function would return it immediately. Since our array is 5, 3, 8, 4, 2, it has more than one element, so we proceed. So step 2, choose a pivot, select the last element of the array as the pivot. For 5, 3, 8, 4, 2, the pivot is 2. Partition the array, create two new arrays. Left contains elements smaller than the pivot. Right contains elements greater or equal to the pivot. Process. Compare each element in the array to the pivot. 5 less than 2, add to the right. 3 less than 2, add to the right. 8 less than 2, add to the right. 4 less than 2, add to the right. Result after partitioning. Left, no element smaller than 2. Right, 5, 3, 8, 4. So step 4, recursive calls. Recursively applying quicksort on the left and right arrays. Recursive call on left. Since it has 0 elements, quicksort immediately returns to left. So the recursive calls on the right, 5, 3, 8, 4. Apply the quicksort to this array. So since the left 3 elements smaller than 4, right 5, 8 elements greater than or equal to 4. Recursively sort left and right. So combine results, combine the sorted or sorted left to the pivot and to the sorted right. Sorting right, 5, 8. Choose 8 as the pivot. And recursively sort, quicksort. So the final assembly is start combining arrays from the recursion sorted of 4, 3, 4, 5, 8. Add the original pivot to this result. The sorted array is 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. This step-by-step process ensures all elements and the sorted efficiency using divided and conquer logic. Since, if as you can see, the worst case then contain element smaller than the pivot, contains element greater or equal to the pivot. Then create two subarrays. Left contains elements smaller than the pivot. Then sa right, contain elements greater than or equal to the pivot. Recursively call quicksort on the left and the right subarrays. Combine the sorted left, pivot, and sorted right into a new array. return the consecutive array. For the output, 53842, the output would be 53842. So the sorted array is 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. So that's all, guys. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned. Thank you.